love my new air fryer purchase. It is amazing because it doesn't just air fry, it has a lot of other menu options you can choose from, and it's very easy to use. You just hit the on button and you see all the options right here that they have. And to select any of those, you just hit menu. I'm going to roast my potatoes. So I move the knob until it highlights roast. And it has it preset for you at 375 degrees. I'm going to change that temperature to 400 and move it to 400, and it's set at 400. The time is correct, 30 minutes, but if you need to change the time, you just hit the time button and move the knob again. And see, it even recommends the rack level for you, which they're telling you you want it to be the rack level 1, which I do have on 1. And then I'm going to preheat it first and push start. So before the timer goes off or starts, it's going to preheat first. And it's a great purchase. I recommend it. It's like another second oven. You can use it for more than air frying. You can bake cookies. I've used it for a full-size frozen pizza and it turned out delicious.